Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. Well, it's the old dilemma. What do I do with these two overripe bananas? So I thought I'd make some banana bread. But I'm going to make a kind that you've probably never had before. I'm going to start with my cream cheese filling. So I have 4 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature as you can see. I'm going to add an egg. A 1/4 cup of sugar. And 3 tablespoons of flour. That flour will hold it all together. So you just mash all that up. Okay, now I'm going to move over here for my batter. Another egg. Half a cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of sour cream. And I'm using every small bowl that I own. I also have a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And of course we need these 2 very ripe bananas. And we'll take that for a spin. For my dry ingredients, it's 1 cup of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And a dash of salt. So I'll just combine that real quick. We'll add this to our wet ingredients. One more thing, the best ingredient I think, is these are bits of toffee, also known as brickle. And the nice thing is you can buy them already smashed up. So I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup. Or so. I love brickle. And just give it one quick mix. There. Now we'll put it all together. I want to put about 2/3 of the batter in this loaf pan, which of course I buttered and floured. Then I'm going to spoon this cream cheese mixture, or I'm going to fork these cream cheese mixture all over the top. Just move it around a little bit, but don't mix it in. And you put the rest of the batter on top of that. Every single little speck of brickle. There. Now I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 50 minutes or until it's nicely set and brown on top. Look at that beautiful stripe of cream cheese going through this banana bread. Those little toffee pieces really make it. I mean, bananas, cream cheese, toffee. It's a perfect marriage. And with a cup of coffee. You know, if I were you, I would buy some bananas. Don't eat them. I would just let them get really overripe and make this, because I think it's a good investment.